Hello, wonderful people. This is Dr. Robert L. Watts of RLW Empowerment Services, One Flesh Ministries, Elder Family Christian Center. Just depends on what platform that you know me from. But I just wanted to chime in and share this video in connection with my upcoming two-day workshop, two-part workshop. And that is on September 23rd and September 24th. And so that workshop is focused on helping people who desire to publish a book. Given that I publish, I believe about 10 to 11, sometimes I forget, but 10 to 11 books for myself. And I've helped several other authors publish their own books. And so I've had several people come and say, they have the concept, they get an idea, they want to publish a book, but that's as far as it goes. And I always tell them, don't wait, don't assume, don't waste time. If you need help, that's why I'm here, the empowerment coach. And so I just want to encourage all who have a desire to publish, who want to become published authors. You have a story to tell, a testimony to share. Get that out. I am here to assist you. The purpose of that workshop on the 23rd and 24th is to be focused and zero in on, by the time we're done, to have you in a good position with whatever your writings may be, or whatever it is that you plan on talking about in your book will be set so that we can get it published this year. So I said I was taking on 11 at the most for the workshop of next week, and a few spots are filled, still got a handful available. If you believe that you are one of those people, then make sure you sign up. Don't waste time. Time is precious. Time is not your friend. I say that all the time to people. Time is not your friend. It's not here for you. You can't start it. You can't stop it. It will keep going with or without you. And so it's our responsibility to be good stewards over that time and to accomplish those goals and ideas. They are put into us for a reason, not to keep delaying, not to keep making excuses, but to do it, and you have to get it done. So I just want to encourage you, if you are one of those people, or if you even know someone who wants to publish their book, please share this information with them. So pretty much the workshop is free, because what I'm doing is that the fee that you see on the flyer, or the cost to attend this workshop, is actually what I'm using is allowing that to be the halfway down payment towards your services for publishing. So it will be almost half of the publishing services and working with me to get your book published. So pretty much you're getting the workshop for free, plus you're getting a discount on the publishing services. So it's a win-win situation. If you have questions, please feel free to respond to this email. And I will be glad to assist you. All right. God bless. Take care. Get registered.